In the last class, I explained the representation of the graph on the number line and Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, you know that. Okay. So x is equal to, for example, x is equal to 2 is there. How to represent on the number line? I revise once again. X is equal to. So mark number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. X equal to like this is shading. This is the number line. This is the number line. And also Cartesian plane. How to Cartesian plane means horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. The meeting point of x and y-axis is called origin. This is x dash. This is y dash. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Positive values on x-axis. Right of the origin, left of the origin, all negative integers. Above the origin, on the y-axis, above the origin, all positive values. Below the origin, all negative values. You know all of this. Now, this is what x is equal to. X is equal to is already I told you, it is involved in x, it is parallel to y. If it is involved in y, it is parallel to x. X is equal to is parallel to which axis? It is given in the x, that is why it is parallel to y. If it is given in the y, it is parallel to x. I hope you clearly understood, children. X is equal to is parallel to which axis? Y axis and x axis. X is equal to is parallel to y axis. Why? Because it is given in the x. When it is given in the x, it is opposite. When it is given in the x, it is parallel to y. When it is given in the y, it is parallel to x. So x is equal to, the line passing to x is equal to like this. Like this. This line is what? Parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. Okay, like this. One more problem I'll explain once again. So y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Draw a graph. Y is equal to 4 represent on the number line and Cartesian plane. Y is equal to 4. Same number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this mark. Y is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is number line. We want 4. Mark. Cartesian plane. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. The meeting point of x and y axis is origin. The left of the origin x dash. Below the origin, this is y dash. How many values? 4 values. Y value is 4. 4 positive values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. On x also 4 values. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. On x axis, left of the origin, all negative values. You know this. Minus 1, minus 2. On y axis below the origin, all negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus. So this is what y is equal to 4. It is y is equal to 4. It is involved in y. It is parallel to x. If it is involved in x, parallel to y. Y is equal to 4 is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. This is the x axis. The line will come parallel to the y is equal to 4 is parallel to the x axis. It is involved in y, it is parallel to x axis. The line passing to y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. This is y value. Like this. This is parallel to x axis. Like this you will present on the Cartesian plane. I hope you clearly understood. Now, one more problem I will explain. Y equal to minus 3. Draw the graph of y equal to minus. Represent y minus 3 as the number line Cartesian plane. Number line. This is what? Number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We want y is equal to minus. This is like this. This is number line. Cartesian plane. This is x axis. This is y axis. X, y. The meeting point of x and is origin. The left of the origin on the x axis is negative x dash. On y axis below the origin is y dash. These all positive. On x axis right of the origin all positive values. Here on y axis above the origin all positive values. On the x-axis, the left side of the origin all negative values. Below the origin on the y-axis all negative values. Yes, you know that. -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. Y is equal to -3. It is inward in y. So it is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. So the line passing through y is equal to -3. Y is equal to -3. Y negative values are here. It is passing through y is equal to -3 like this. This line is parallel to x-axis. This is y equal to y. Like this, we do children. I hope we clearly understood. So this is the concept I taught in the last class. Okay. So again I revise this. Okay. Now what is the line parallel to x-axis? The equation of the line parallel to x-axis. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis. Equation of the line. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis. At the distance of k units is y is equal to k. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to k. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis at the distance of k is x equal to. Parallel to x-axis means y is equal to k. Parallel to y-axis means x equal to k. Parallel to x-axis y is equal to k. Parallel to y-axis means x equal to k. Simply the equation of the equation to x-axis is equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Okay, like when it is at some distance, equation of the line parallel to it is this line is y is equal to -3 is parallel to x-axis at the distance of how much? -3 units. So y is equal to -3. You know how much distance it is from x-axis? -3 units. Okay, if y equal to -3 is parallel to x-axis at a distance of -3 units. Simply equation of the line parallel to y-axis is at the distance of k units. Okay, equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to k. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k. Simply equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. I hope you clearly understood, children. So the problems which left in the exercise, last exercise, will solve now. Exercise 6.5, children. Exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5. Last class I explained 4 problems. Now fifth one. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point first of it -4, 0. Yes. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis is what? X equal to k. And passing through the point what? -4, 0. We have to find the equation of the line parallel to y-axis means x equal to k. You have to find out. K value you don't know. How you get the k value? When substitute when the line pass through -4, 0. -4 means x. 0 means y, like that. So first what you have to write? equation of the line parallel to y-axis we have to find out. Let equation of the line parallel to y-axis be, what is the formula? X equal to equation of the line parallel to y-axis be x equal to k. This is x, this is y. This line passes through what? Passing through minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0. This line passes through the point what? Minus 4 comma 0. This is x, this is y. Substitute here. X is equal to what? Minus 4. Therefore k equal to minus 4. Required line. What is the required line? Equation of line parallel to y-axis is what? X equal to k. What do you want to find out? Equation of the line parallel to y-axis. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k. So x is equal to k value how much? Minus 4. X equal to minus 4 is the required line. I hope you clearly understood children. Okay, so we can do in this rest of the bits. Passing through 2 comma 0. It passes through 2 comma 0. X2 y0. Okay, 3 comma 5 minus 4 comma 3. You substitute this, you will get it. Same model will do it. I hope you clearly understood children. Okay, now 6th problem. 6th. I go for 6th. In this rest of the bits you do it. Sixth one, write equation of 3 lines that are parallel to x-axis. You can give any example. Parallel to x-axis is in the form of y is equal to. Parallel to y-axis is in the form of x equal to. That's all. You write 3 examples. Write the equation of the 3 lines that are parallel to x-axis. How many? 3 lines. 3 lines write down. A. Write the equation of the 3 lines parallel to x-axis. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis. How many you want? 3. Parallel to x-axis will be the form of y is equal. Parallel to x-axis is y is equal to form. Y is equal to minus 2. You can write any example. Y equal to minus 4. Y is equal to 5. These all parallel to y is equal. All y is equal to forms parallel to x-axis. All x equal to form parallel to y-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Write the equation 3 lines. 3 lines I give the examples. 3 lines. So the equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to minus 2. Parallel to x-axis is y is equal to minus 4. Parallel to x-axis is y is equal to 5. Like this. This is second page. Parallel to y-axis. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis. X equal to 3, x equal to minus 4. Even this anything you can write. Equation of the line parallel to y-axis will be x is equal to 4. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to 4. Parallel to y-axis is x equal to 4. Like that you write 3 lines. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to 3. Parallel to y-axis is x equal to minus 4 or x equal to. So they asked for 3 examples. I give 3 examples. I hope you clearly understood, children. This chapter is over. I completed the chapter. I asked to do 6.3 exercise problems. Some problems. If anything is there, you can ask me in the Zoom. I will clear. The chapter is over. In the next class, I go for new chapter. That is surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. This chapter is over. I hope we clearly understood this chapter, children. Okay, thoroughly revise the problems. Okay, next class I go for a new chapter, that is surface areas and volumes. 10th chapter, surface areas and volumes. Thank you.